I have here today a car that I purchased a few months back. I had other issues. The engine only lasted 4 days after I bought it, which that sucked, but we're past that point already. There's plenty of people that done motor swaps. But this is a 2003 Outback LL Bean. And I had a problem where my running lights, parking lights, clearance lights, whatever you want to call them, weren't working at all. Not unless I hit the parking light switch. That was the only way my parking lights worked. So I went through a big ass circle because I couldn't find wiring, any wiring diagrams. I found some on O'Reilly's website. It wasn't exactly helpful. I was able to narrow it down though to this fuse circuit, in which the main wire being this orange one. This orange one is the power feed to the number 5 fuse. This white wire is hot all the time. Where's it at? Battery voltage, white wire. Nothing there on the white with the green because my keys are out. Key on, not running. Don't make me look like a liar. Oh, turn the headlight switch. Gotta turn the headlight switch. Parking lights. Now I have battery voltage on the white with the green. But the problem is, plug it in. Ground on orange. I still have parking lights on, battery voltage, white with the green, or the white has battery voltage. Still have nothing until I flip that. And then now I got battery voltage. So to eliminate the switch, paper clip, gotta put you guys down.
Do you want me to hold the camera?
What?
Did you want me to hold the camera?
No.
Okay.
This is real life auto repair. Jumper wire. Now I got battery voltage. Turn it off. No more battery voltage. Turn it on. Now it works with the switch the headlight switch as it's supposed to, and I don't need this anymore. For anybody else that's trying to figure out why their parking lights don't work.